Hello. Yo, 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 yo. Hi, everyone. My name is Aman, and welcome to SMC Wolf FX, to another live stream of me doing pre-New York market analysis. Let's start with the economic calendar for the day. So it's a Friday today, so happy Friday, everybody. We've just got a fairly simple, straightforward economic data releases during the New York trading session. We got retail sales at 1:30 p.m. UK time, followed by the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 3 p.m. So I guess let's watch out for retail sales. Normally, this doesn't have much impact on the markets, but just keep an eye out. Just make a note of those timestamps, and just so you're prepared. Let's go through the charts. As always, I got my 4 charts here on the screen. GBP, USD, US 100, or otherwise known as NQ, German 40, and US 30. Starting with good old GBP USD. We've had a very bullish London trading session on this today. I'm a bit neutral on this pair because if you watched the live stream yesterday, I did say that we retraced down into this potential bullish points of interest, and we have been trading bullish. However, I don't like the price action here at the lows. I do see price coming back to revisit or sweep the liquidity here. We've also got the previous monthly highs that I also do think that price will trade towards. My game plan for the session will be purely based on further price action developing, because at the moment I can't really tell if we're bullish or we could respect this previous area and trade bearish towards previous day lows and the previous London low. And you know what they say, a staircase up is an elevator down. So don't really have a forecast here to share on GBP USD, but I'll keep an eye out on price action. If anything, I'll share it in my Discord if something looks good. Moving on to NQ, we had a very, very bullish New York trading session yesterday. After the opening bell, price literally ripped, trading above daily highs and weekly highs and going to 30,000 and above. Here I'm thinking bearish, and let me explain why. If I jump to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this area of assumed imbalance from yesterday's bullish New York session. So we've got this 4-hour fair value gap right at 30,000 whole price level. So my game plan on this is bearish for if price action develops above previous day high, in a sense where we get nice top wicks and then bearish price action, we could be looking at opportunities for price to trade bearish into this sell side imbalance area in the form of a 4-hour fair value gap. So nice, simple and straightforward on US 100. Moving on to the German 40, we've been whipsawing at this key level, 26,500, quite a few times now. You've got this area, this from yesterday, and now we're again at this key quarter level again today. I am bearish on here. That's my bias. That's my forecast. We're at this key level again. We've traded just above the previous day highs, and in terms of sell side imbalances, we've got this with the indicator lows, we've got this Asian low range. So I am looking at price to trade towards and below this. So if this type of price action forms here on the German 40, for example, we give nice top wicks, indicating a liquidity sweep, and then breaking below the 26,500 region, could be looking at opportunities to take this towards the downside, trading towards 26,400 and then inevitably the Asian lows. So we'll be keeping my eye on this one and seeing how this plays out. It's an interesting one. This is so far my I've got good hopes on this one basically for today. Okay, and finally the US 30, also known as the Dow Jones. We've been bearish pretty much all week, given mainly during the New York trading session, really nice bearish movements to the downside. Yesterday, we were at this whole price level 54,000 in the New York trading session, broke above the previous day highs, and then just dumped towards the lows. For today, completely opposite at this moment is a bullish bias, but it's bullish plus bearish. So a bullish in the sense we're at this current quarter price level of 53,750. So if price is to give some good price action where we give some nice bottom wicks and then we start breaking towards the upside, we could see price trade towards the Asian highs at least, because the Asian highs, well, the Asian trading session was a nice tight range. So I do see a area of liquidity above the Asian highs. So I'll be looking for that forecast, and then after that has been done, I'll be switching my bias to bearish again to continue on filling that huge imbalance towards the left, because from a top level summary, I do see US 30 trading towards the previous all-time high around 53,500 to play it safe. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. So we've got some good levels, some good price structure for a Friday. So hopefully we can finish off the week with some good trades. Hope you guys find these pre-New York analysis videos useful. If you do let me know below in the comments. Other than that, I'll see you guys on Monday for another pre-New York analysis live stream. Take care, everyone, and I hope everyone has a successful New York